Alrighty, this video is for IXL G.1 H6E. Okay, so this week we are reviewing the coordinate plane. So we've been dealing a lot with y equals mx plus b in the past, and we've been doing a lot with the equations. Now we're going to put that equation on a graph, but before we start doing that, we need to review a couple of things in making sure we're comfortable with the graph. So let's look at this. What are the coordinates of point F? So coordinates look like this. There's an x and a y. So if I were to tell you, for example, that I am looking at a point on this graph, you have no idea what point I'm looking at because I'm not showing you what point I'm looking at. So it's coordinate points are like a treasure map. Like think about coordinates. We have to follow a certain path in order to find out what point we're going for. So when it comes to coordinate points and just locating them, the x goes first. So that means that this is going to tell me left or right, where do I go first? Okay? And I always think of x comes first because x is first in the alphabet. So we need to, in order to find a point, we got to go left or right first, right? So the y value is up or down. So it says, what are the coordinates of point F? So the first thing we need to notice is that's point F. So I need to, if I'm always going to start at the origin, which is the middle of the graph, and I need to know how in the world can I get to point F, okay? So it's kind of like telling your friend directions. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, which is a positive 4. That's my x value. So you're going to tell your friend, okay, you're going 4 to the positive. Then you're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going up 5, and it's a positive 5 because we're going up. So that is simply how you find the coordinate points. It's x, comma, y. So let's do another example. Which coordinate point is negative 2, comma 2? So I always start in the very beginning, which is my origin. And it says negative 2. So my x value here is negative 2. So in order to get to negative 2 on the x-axis, I need to go to the left. So I'm going to go 1, 2 to the left. Then it said a positive 2 is y. So in order to get to a positive 2, which is over here, I need to go up 2, 1, 2. And the point that I have found using my cute little treasure map is w. So which point is that negative 2, comma 2? Well, w is. And the last one, and please ignore this, I accidentally had my mouse on it. Graph the point 9, comma negative 4. So 9 is my x value and negative 4 is my y value. So x is where I start. So 9 to the positive. So always begin in the middle. That means I need to go 9 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So now I'm here. But then it also says negative 4. Well, I know y values to be negative, it goes downward because it's right here. So while I'm starting, I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I put a dot. And that's it. Pretty simple. Just says graph the point, and so your little symbol will look like this, and you'll just click on it. I know this week might sound super easy, but the reason why it's just a good review for this week is just being really comfortable with the coordinate plane.